This owner gave her black cat a bath for the first time, and the moment he stepped in, the water turned completely black, and she had no idea why. At first, she didn't think much of it, but then a few days later, she brushed his fur, and some of it came off gray instead of black, which confused her. And when the cat finished drinking water, even the water in the bowl turned black right away. Now she's getting worried, so she sat down next to the cat and he climbed onto her lap, but when he jumped off, she noticed a perfect black paw print stamped right on her leg. So she touched his fur to check, and black marks appeared all over her hands, which made her think he was somehow losing his color. She wanted to rush him to the hospital, but she couldn't find him anywhere until she finally discovered him hiding in the trash can. And that's when everything made sense. The cat wasn't losing color at all. He just loved hiding in the dirtiest spots, which actually made him even more black. So she gave him a bath and finally washed away all that built-up dirt.